Hold up. Wait a minute. Let me put this in. Oh. Yeah. Oh, hey.
What the heck, Dad?
Oh, I guess.
Oh, I guess.
Oh my god.
Ew, I don't like this paint. I got some paint on it. It's fine.
Oh, I smell it. Is it on your finger?
So like.
Ready? She got it.
Lauren eating expired yogurt
By a month.
by a month.
Did she punch me in the nose?
I don't want to do it.
Do it.
Do it.
Do it.
A
do
lot
it,
or
do
little?
It, do
A
it,
lot.
A lot.
Like
do
this whole
it.
bite?
Yeah.
Yeah, the whole
What if I
thing.
get sick?
Just eat
Then
it.
we'll take you to the hospital.
Come on, do it.
Do it.
Do it. I want to eat that yogurt up your lips.
Come on, Lauren, you can do it.
I don't think I like cheesecake though.
No one cares if you like strawberry cheesecake. Oh, yummy, yummy,
Nah.
yummy.
What are these?
Good one.
Wait, what?
That's what we're gonna do.
We're gonna watch it now.
Something stuck on our teeth. Yeah.